Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're keeping well and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, we're going to be making a delicious, fruity, creamy fruit chaat with mango pulp. So if you're a lover of mangoes just like I am, this is a recipe for you. Now I know in Ramzan, no iftar is complete without a fruit chaat, but we do get a bit bored of having the same masala or cream fruit chaat every day. So why not try this mango pulp one? It'll be completely different, nice and fresh, and will definitely please your guests. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. If you missed my last video, I made some delicious savory chicken donuts. So be sure to check them out, and if you like today's video, give me a like and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's start off by preparing the base for our fruit chaat. We're going to start with some mango pulp, and to it we're going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now you can add as much or as less sugar as you want depending on how sweet you want it. Obviously every brand of mango pulp also has a different amount of sweetness. So add a little, taste it, and if you want to add more then you can always do that. Next we're going to add about half a cup of milk to it. We don't want to add too much, we just want to thin it out a little. Bear in mind when we add the fruit, the juices of the fruit are also going to make it a little bit more thinner. So we just want to give it a lovely creamy consistency. One of the great things about this recipe is you can prepare it in advance. You can create this base of your mango pulp the night before and keep it in the fridge to use the next day. Also, if you want to prepare ahead for your party in the evening, you can add the fruits to it in the morning and keep them in the fridge. They won't go dark like they normally do in a fruit salad because the mango pulp base will keep them nice and fresh and stop them from decoloring. Fruit salads or fruit chaat are such a versatile dish. You can literally use any fruit you like. Whatever you have in your pantry, whatever you have in your kitchen, and whatever fruit is in season, just add it all to the chaat and it will turn out delicious regardless. Mixing the fruit nice and gently to make sure everything is really well combined. Now this fruit chaat tastes absolutely amazing chilled, so keep it in the fridge for a couple of hours before you serve it. You can top it off with any fruits of your choice and decorate it. I'm just adding a few blueberries to add even more colour, and our fruit chaat or fruit salad is ready to be served. This is such an amazing, summery, vibrant and delicious dessert that everyone is sure to love it. delicious. Make sure you give it a try and impress your family at Iftar today.